Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today I have a classic dessert that I grew up on. It is super easy to make, super delicious, and we're making it vegan. So let's go ahead, we're making some rice pudding. Let's dive in. Grab a medium-sized pot and put it on the stove. Combine almond milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, brown sugar, and maple syrup. Then add some arborio rice. This type of rice is perfect for rice pudding as it gives the end product a nice creamy texture. Now mix it on a high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, cover with a lid, turn the heat down to low and let that simmer for around 20 minutes. Stir the pot every couple minutes to make sure nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pot. Rice is a pain to clean. This is the exact texture we're looking for. Now top it off with some cinnamon sugar and let's plate this dish. This smells so good. Rice pudding is one of those snacks I used to have as a kid and I still love it to this day. It is so creamy and has a wonderful sweetness to it. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. You may have noticed our awesome Saucy merch. You can get some of your own in a link in the description below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Oh, I totally forgot rice. How did I forget rice?